So, minggu yang baru bermula. Kita mula minggu ini dengan profit from our hype and BTC long. Right, we caught the knife. Kita telah dapat very good trade. A few trades yang saya telah share. Our BTC short dari minggu lepas, right, when we caught that fake out, has run sangat-sangat cantik. Right, saya terclose accidentally. Kalau tak, saya masih hold Bitcoin short sampai dah sekarang. Tapi tak apa, sometimes mistakes happen. So saya telah open balik long on BTC and on hype, and we have made some pretty good profit to start off the week. Now this was the this was the fake out yang kita telah tangkap, right? This breakout here, dia masuk kepada kita punya supply zone sini and boom, dia junam macam tu je. Right? So this was the fake out that we were talking about in the last video. In the last video we were looking at this fake out. I think kita short dari sini lah. Right? I think we shorted from here, around here. Right? So mari kita tengok apa plan sekarang. Right, which levels yang you guys should monitor to potentially look for some good trades this week. Right, I'm not gonna lie, the past few weeks memang sangat susah sebab banyak news yang memutarkan market naik turun sekejap, naik sekejap, turun sekejap, ceasefire sekejap ni sekejap tu, and in the end kita tak tahu apa yang sedang berlaku. But let's take a look at what is currently happening right now with Bitcoin and apakah plan saya sekarang. So kita bermula minggu yang baru. So let's take a look at our weekly levels. Right, kita sekarang di atas weekly open. Kita dah cuba test sekali and we have bounced. Tetapi apa yang saya nampak sini ialah nampaknya macam kita ada divergence ya. If I go down to the 30 minutes, tengok ada divergence sini. 15 minutes mungkin lebih jelas, right? Zoop and zoop. Yeah. So there is a possibility that we could actually continue lower. Dan kalau kita tak dapat maintain di atas weekly open ni, right? You guys know what could happen. We could just retest this as resistance dan sambung ke bawah. Right, this is the previous week low, harga terendah minggu lepas. So ini dan ini menjadi key level to keep an eye on ya. Right, we have bounced from this zone yang saya mark ni, warna purple ni. This was our closest demand zone. Okay, this was our closest demand zone. Ya, nampak ni demand zone. So we bounce from here. Kita telah ambil long dari sini, tapi kalau kita nak sambung long, level-level penting untuk maintain ialah number one, of course, the weekly open. We want to maintain above the weekly open. Right, number two ialah kita nak masuk balik kepada previous range ini. Right, ingat range ni. Right, we've been in this range for so long, guys. Dari bulan Mei. So we have to maintain above the weekly open, reclaim this range, and then maybe we can get a range rotation to the upside. Right, so that is the most ideal bullish scenario lah. We want to see it reclaim the range. Okay, tapi untuk masa sekarang, it looks like we do have some divergence yang saya tunjuk tadi, and it looks like we have already tested this dan ada sebuah rejection ke bawah. Right, we tested this range dan dia sedang reject ke bawah. So now the key level that I would keep an eye on ialah weekly open. Boleh tak kita maintain di atas and sambung naik? Kalau tak, kalau kita break ke bawah, right, then it's likely that we may just continue down lower to our next demand zone, which is around 97 lah, macam tu. Around 97 I would say is the next demand zone. Okay. Alright, so for the short term, we are looking bearish for the short term. So ada divergence, right? So if we can maintain above here, above this demand zone, right? Let me just pull this fib. Kita tarik ni. Okay, lines up quite nicely. So demand zone this long demand zone dengan what some people might say ini mungkin sebuah order block lines up nicely with the 618. So this can be a potential long. Cari long dari sini, stop loss below the previous week low, right? Kalau you guys belum enter long, saya sudah ada long position yang saya sedang hold. This long for me tak berapa cantik lah, sebab kenapa? Sebab we've already tapped into this demand zone once, so we are using the same thing over again. I would prefer if we actually sweep the previous week low and reclaim here. So kalau saya nak cari sebuah long yang baru, yang fresh, saya akan cari di bawah previous week low. Once we've swept the previous week low, we want to continue up higher. Okay, so this is my plan for now lah untuk long. Kalau nak cari long position ya, I will look for anything below the previous week low. Okay, untuk long. Untuk short pula, you technically boleh enter short sekarang sebab kita dalam structure sell ya. Kita dalam structure sell, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, potentially sambung membuat lower low. So dah ada bearish retest sini, dah ada bearish divergence. You can take a short from here and just look for continuation lower, right? Ikut trend saja, boleh juga. Okay. Untuk masa sekarang, I recommend set BE cepat lah. Dah dapat satu ni sebab satu, set BE. Sebab market sedang flip-flop. Sekejap bullish, sekejap bearish, right? With the war, with the news of war in Iran, it's very very hard to get a strong trend. But kalau news ini teruskan macam ni, it's likely dia akan sambung bearish lagi lah. It's likely dia akan sambung bearish lagi. Okay. So the plan for now, let's just recap. The plan for now, saya nak tengok dia maintain, tapi sekarang pun dia sedang break ke bawah weekly open. So if you nak ambil short, you boleh ambil short anywhere from here, right? Look for continuation down into this demand zone, 97k, 94k macam tu, right? Kalau nak cari long, I would look for long once we've swept this previous week low. So zone ini, zone purple ni 97 to about 93k macam tu menjadi target untuk short kalau nak short ke bawah, dan menjadi zone untuk cari long position. Okay, so keep an eye on this target. Zone yang saya mark ni ialah daily demand zone ya. So saya ambil dua block ini, right? Dua block ini. Okay, so this is a daily demand zone. Right, so itu saja plan saya untuk sekarang. Kalau you guys nak tengok exactly macam mana saya trade, right now it's looking quite bearish lah guys. Right, the candle weekly pun dah flip jadi merah. So it's likely we may get a continuation lower. Okay. So macam saya cakap tadi, if you guys are trading, make sure you guys set BE cepat. Dan why not guna duit yang diberikan oleh Wix, right? Wix sekarang ada deposit bonus 100 USD dapat 20 USD, 500 dapat 100, 1000 dapat 200, 2000 dapat 400, 20% deposit bonus. Why not guna duit dari exchange? Link untuk Wix saya akan letak di bawah. We are having a live session soon ya. Very soon kita akan ada live session dalam Kaizen Crypto Academy. So kalau you guys nak join this live session, link untuk join academy saya akan letak di bawah. Okay, bukan saja ada live session, ada signal. You guys boleh tengok exactly cara saya enter, exit, TP, stop loss, break even, everything. Semua trade saya share di sini. You guys boleh join, boleh belajar and see exactly how I trade. Alright, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Trade safe. The markets are very volatile. See you in the next video.